Latest ultrasonic sewing machine. Latest design 30 kHz ultrasonic sewing machine. Simple and novel design with a more user-friendly startup method. Ergonomic foot controller, easy to run the machine. Titanium alloy or steel-coated material sonotrode. With fast welding speed and maximum 10 mm welding width. Better working efficiency, highly improved productivity. User-friendly interface makes speed, power, pressure adjustments much more convenient. Perfect welding effect with much faster speed. Welding frequency could up to 35 kHz. Comparing those to different welding effect after testing. Same cool welding effect even with faster speed. Welcome to contact us for more details.